Hello, welcome back to another video here on the channel. And today we are going to be doing the SCR route today because I just feel like it. So yeah, so we are going to spawn us as a driver. So yeah, so as you can see, we are driving the signal pacer from Benton to Greenslade. So yeah, so we are going to spawn Benton sliding and just do. I think we would do so I think when we get to Greenslade, I'll have a think on if I should do if I do another route back to Benton from Greenslade. I'll have a think about it. I'm pushing Benton now. Slow down.
To Benton. Morganstown Docks. Whitney Green.
Okay, looks like we have got Fixed Lens Gamer who's going to guard us for this winter Greenslade, which is nice. He's a guard, which is my role. Very nice. So I must shout out to him for guarding me. Well, not physically guarding me, but for requesting my request. But for telling me to guard me. Because, you know. So we just wait for the guard to whistle. The signal is green, so the guard can whistle safely. Is he gonna whistle? Yep. Looks like he's doing everything. He's doing everything. Which is very good. Okay, here he closes his working door, and then we wait for the signal bell. Remembering the guard buzzer. Oh god, buzzer back. And there we go. And off we go. So it's quite nice having a guard on our route, actually. It's quite very nice. Oops. Right, where we slide on to about 30. I hope this is the right one. Okay, there we go. We can go back up to 45. Well, because I think that's the maximum I should be entering the station about 45 to 25 miles per hour. Right, let's slow down now to about 25. Let's slow down to about 25. Okay, I think we'll start slowing down a bit now. There we go. That was a good stop, that was. Let me check first. Hold on. Right. Okay, looks like he's doing everything he's supposed to do, which is good. I think I can just see the signal from here because I got a signal thing, don't I? I'm head code 2G00. That's my head code. That's my head code. Right. Yeah, because normally when I do like a route, I normally do better than the Greenslade. So I'm just going to do a signal route. I'm just going to do a normal route, and not do a full route from Benton to Greenslade and then Greenslade back to Benton. I'll do that in my spare time. That was overshoot there. I should have figured them. That's not safe. That's not safe. We've got a 171 here. Where is it going to? Possibly coming to Benton. So it could possibly coming from Morganstown, maybe? Maybe Morganstown? I don't know. Hold on, where we work? Where we have a work quickly? Hold on. Where's the bus from to quickly? Because I have no idea where he's coming from. But I think he's doing the Morganstown shuttle, I think. Oh yeah, that he could possibly come from Morganstown. The 166s? Yeah, I haven't bought them. I know, I should have think of getting in the new Mash 100. That was a close one, that was. Right, let's go to about 25. I would say about 25-ish. Well, I'm gonna slow down. Well, I'm not gonna go like too slow. I'm gonna go a little slow. There we go. Yeah. I'll also might use some signaling today as well. Maybe. Who knows? Right. Now we wait for the guard to whistle, and then we can close the doors. There we go. So the signaling thing will be the following week. Yeah, because normally on a Sunday I only do one video, but when it's Saturday I think I do 1 to 5 videos. So the following week I'll be doing more. I might do. I am also doing another route today as well, which will be, well, not a route, but and also I'll be training on the Pascal dispatcher training as well. So I'm doing various training modules. So as as I explained in my truck somewhere video, I passed my guard training. I think that's what I said. If you would like to check out that trucking simulator video, then I suggest you click on when I suggest you type in it, and then watch it, and then tell me what you think. Alright, 45 to 25. So. Oh no, you said about 45, yes, didn't you? Oh yeah, 45. Oh yeah, I almost forgot about that. Right, I think we'll start slowing down now. I think we will start slowing down now. Coming down. Right, I'm not going to hit the buffers. I'm not hitting the buffers. How many trucks is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 trucks is okay, but that's still good. Right. So now we need to wait for the passengers to load. Right. So there you go. That was the route from Benton to Greenslade. If you did enjoy it, then searching for more of it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Adios.